Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your First Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for First Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can see the login portal of First Bank. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, and click Login. You can choose the option of online banking, internet cash management, communication center, business credit card center, and then you can log into your First Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and choose the type of account you want, either the personal or business one. Write down your user ID, password, and click Login. And if you want this browser to remember your user ID, turn on this button over here, and you can even quick login. So if you want to learn more about quick login, go ahead and click this button where it says learn more, and you can quick login to your account as well. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can reset your password quite easily. And if you have not signed up and not created a First Bank mortgage account, go ahead and click sign up and create yourself an account. This was a video on how you can log into your First Bank mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.